Hello, we are dancing company. My name is Susan. This is the model of our welding machine, AC/DC TIG aluminum welding machine. I try to explain how to operate this machine for you. This machine can work with footstep. Now I explain it one by one. This one is footstep. You can see here. You can adjust. It's from 1 to 10. Here is the machine, the operation panel. You can see here. You can check. You can check here. You can adjust here. And here AC TIG, DC TIG, and the manual of the welding. Here 2T and 4T. Here is pulse and direct. Here is AC frequency and clean wires. Now, first, I try to explain how to make the fast aluminum welding. Try to place this button. Hold it for 3 seconds. This machine now it go to the presetting of our factory for aluminum welding specification. You can see. If your people put this TIG touch, you can start aluminum welding quickly. Second, I try to explain how to use the footstep. Firstly, we must connect this machine to footstep. There's 2 solutions. One is hold this button for 3 seconds. Now this machine, you can see here is only 10. That means the machine is controlled by footstep. Full output. That means output is the max one is 225. You can adjust here. You place here. You can see it change. Here you also can change. If here it means it's about 60%. It's 80%, but it's not exactly. It's just about. The second way to connect the machine to footstep is try take this one. Now this machine is clock, is max output. We put this one for 3 seconds. Okay, you can adjust now. You can adjust. Now you can adjust to 150. Okay, that means the footstep can take the output. The max one is 150. You can see, you can do it. Oh no, here, I must adjust here. This one, now you know. This one, you can put it anyone as you like. You can put it maybe 200. It's up to you. So you know. Next, the last is connect this one. This one is for TIG touch. 2 is for footstep. This one is for edge clamp. This one is for electrode hold. Now I hope you can understand me. If you can't, please email me. I'm sorry, my English is so. Please contact us for more information. We hope we can cooperate with your company. Thank you. Bye.